We rely heavily on our cars to get us from A to B quickly, easily, and without too much fuss. So, getting a flat tire or puncture can really ruin your day. To find the best tire repair kit, we researched more than 40 models before selecting the best 5 for rigorous side-by-side testing and selected the best 5. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Rhino USA Tire Plug Repair Kit. This compact tire repair kit from Rhino USA works with any tubeless tire, whether it be on your truck, lawnmower, or bike. It comes with 86 pieces including 12 tire plugs, pliers, a tire pressure gauge, a utility knife, an insert tool, a spiral tool, lubricant, valve caps, valve cores, and a storage case. It also comes with their money-back guarantee. Number 4. ORCISH 98 Pieces Tire Repair Plug Kit Heavy-Duty Flat Tire Repair. This 98-piece set from ORCISH is very near perfect. It does contain the rasp and needle tools, both of which have rubber handles for extra comfort and durability. It also includes a set of pliers, utility knife, core valves, valve extenders, stem caps, and 50 self-vulcanized tire strings. Number 3. Blackjack KT340 Tire Repair Tool. The Blackjack repair kit states that it can be used to make a permanent repair to your vehicle's tire. The handles in the kit are larger than most, providing a comfortable and easier use. They also appear durable, so should be able to stand repeated use. Number 2. BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit 22 PCs. This compact tire repair kit would fit perfectly and easily in any vehicle. It has 22 pieces including a spiral probe tool, hex key, lubricant, 2 valve stems, a valve stem tool, and 15 repair plugs. The kit is designed for on- and off-road vehicles as well as trailers, lawnmowers, and ATVs. BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit also comes with a full refund in the case of any manufacturing defects. It can handle heavy-duty actions. It also comes with a nice carry case. But you cannot use this tool for small punctures. Number 1. Tooluxe 50002L 35-piece Tire Repair Universal Heavy-Duty Tire Repair Kit with Plugs. This simple kit from Tooluxe is perfectly designed to help you easily repair any tubeless tire and contains all the basics needed to do the job. The bright orange case contains a rasp, needle tool, lubricant, hex keys, and 30 plug strings. You may want to add a utility knife to your kit as one is not included. The T-handles are made from steel, giving you good leverage for both reaming the puncture and inserting the plug. The pricing of the product is also very reasonable. The only cons of this product is the lack of instructions. It might seem overwhelming with over 1,000 tire repair kit on the market. Hopefully, we helped you narrow it down to the best model for your needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want more information or if you want to know product price, check my description. For any further information, please comment below.